There are lots of ways that you can use aromatherapy to help you with your spring cleaning. First thing that I like to suggest is that you take a day or a couple of days to do this job. If you have to do a really deep clean, it'll probably take you a couple of days, if not a week, especially if you haven't done it in a while. You can see here these little kids are helping with their tasks. I think it's great to have kids help you out. It might take you a bit longer, but it's really good for them and they need to learn how to do these things too. The first thing I would suggest, which is just an organizational thing, is to break down your cleaning tasks into timed sections. For example, you might like to have 1 hour on cleaning out the fridge, and then 15 minutes on your entryway, half an hour on the bathroom. Doing this forces you to stay on task and focus and get the jobs done, and the benefit is that you can also cross them off your list. Here are some practical things you can do using essential oils. Some people like to add a couple of drops of their favorite smell to their vacuum bag because when you have your vacuum going, then you have the fresh scent of, let's say, lemon will be in the air, and it just smells lovely. Another tip you could do is to have some cedar wood or lavender and just put a couple of drops onto a cotton ball and place them inside your wooden furniture pieces. This is a double tip. It smells wonderful and it will also help to deter any mothballs. If you have a diffuser, put on a pleasant blend, some type of citrus for example, that is going to help you stay happy when you're cleaning and inspire your efforts. I also recommend working to music. It can help you stay moving and make you feel like you have some company while you're working. If you don't have a diffuser, you can also make a room spray. You can use these especially in the bathrooms and kitchen, or if you have a teenager with stinky feet, you could put it in their bedroom and shoes.